Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Kevin Feige says that Avengers 5 will eventually happen. Marvel Studios' COO is currently busy gearing up for the return of MCU through WandaVision that will kick off Phase 4. This is after an unplanned extended break from the Infinity Saga due to the coronavirus pandemic. 12 January 2021.
Take our lead.
Natalie Portman to replace Chris Hemsworth as the MCU's Thor after Love and Thunder. Marvel fans went wild when it was announced that Natalie Portman was returning to the MCU for Thor, Love and Thunder.
Let's help you make your mark.
The truth will be revealed in the upcoming Black Widow movie. The events of Black Widow take place between the events of Captain America, The Winter Soldier and Captain America, Civil War, thereby making the film a prequel of sorts. Natasha was killed off in Avengers Endgame, along with Robert Downey Jr.'s Tony Stark. 25 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Leading up to its premiere, The Falcon and the Winter Soldier dropped plenty of hints that Steve Rogers, aka Captain America, had died. There was a shot in the trailer of a funeral-ready Sam Wilson standing over Cap's shield, as well as dialogue that referenced the hero in the past tense. 19 March 2021.
Take our lead.
In case you don't know, Scarlett Johansson's Natasha Romanoff sacrificed herself by jumping off a cliff on Vormir to allow the Avengers to acquire the Soul Stone. In Infinity War, Thanos dropped Gamora to her death to get the Soul Stone. 11 April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.